Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create this 3D smartphone mock-up with just one click on CapCut Mobile. So first you can just add any photo or video that you want, and after that click on the photo, go to animation, click on combo, and here just swipe until you find the smartphone animation. Okay, swipe. Okay, this one there are I think there are three options, so let's try the smartphone 3. This is the smartphone 3, smartphone 2, so you can just choose which one that you think you like the best. I'm going to use the smartphone 2, I think. Okay, click on the check icon. Here I'm going to make it big a little, so it will become like this. Now go to background, and here click on the blur and choose the second one. Click on the check icon and you are done. So this will be the result, and that's all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.